Hi everyone, my name is Eliana and I'm going to be the Learning Assistant for DEN 161 Press Start this semester at K-State. A little bit about me is that I'm currently a junior going into my senior year of electrical engineering with an emphasis in power systems. Outside of that, when I'm not in class or working on projects, I enjoy baking, drawing, and hand embroidery. Also, if my hair does not totally give it away, I'm a huge fan of the color pink. To me, being part of a CAT community means building connections while exploring your major in a hands on, supportive environment. I know that engineering can feel intimidating at times, especially if you're still figuring things out, but I promise that you absolutely belong here. As a learning assistant, my goal is to help create a space where everyone feels comfortable asking questions, learning from each other, and growing together. I firmly believe that our differences make us stronger and that we are all capable of succeeding when we encourage one another. I wouldn't be where I am today without a strong support system, and I hope that I could provide the same support to you. I'm really excited to meet you all and get to know you this semester, and I hope you have a great summer.